I'm sure everybody who's watched my videos knows who that is. Yeah, we trapped him outside because he bit me yesterday. Whoa, he's trying to attack. See? He's mad. I'm gonna go outside with him. Ah! He's biting me! Quick attack! Attack him! Nokia, what did I tell you about not attacking Dinky? Dinky! Come here! Where are you, bitch? You did it again. Oops! I did it again. Whoa. 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 Anyway, let's get something else. Wow, it's windy today. Whoa, okay. Oh, he's got a new position to have sex with the trampoline. Look at him. Whoa! Dinky, stop fucking the trampoline. Ow. Ew, he's fucking it. Okay, that was just a short video. Now I'm going in. Anyway, thanks for watching, and if you didn't like it, you are retarded. Damn. I hate this camera. If you didn't like it, you are retarded. Peace. Did I turn this off again?
Heads up! Heads up! Here's another one, and another one. Geek, geek. Why you all in my ear? Talking a whole bunch of shit that I ain't trying to hear. Get back, motherfucker, you don't know me like that. Get back, motherfucker, you don't.
Ew, he sunbeamed my leg again.